Hello, I'm Sarah from Max Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the AeroPress Go portable coffee press kit. I use this every day in my morning routine as a freelancer. I'm always on the go, and having a product like this, it really saves me time. It's compact, lightweight, and travel friendly, practical for coffee lovers on the go. It's easy to use. The process of making coffee is quick, taking about 2 to 3 minutes, and the included instructions are clear. Cleaning is very quick because all the parts can be detached, as you can see, so you don't waste any time. Simply remove the used coffee grounds, rinse the filter cap, and you're done. It is versatile. You can do coffee, espresso, and cold brew if you like. The price is also very affordable. The only two cons I see are the AeroPress Go has limited capacity, about 1 to 2 cups per press. In my case, I use it just for myself, so it works great. Also, it can take some time to perfect your coffee strength, as you can see, because you have to do it manually. There are no automatic buttons. However, I feel that manually making coffee adds to the organic experience and practice makes perfect. I highly recommend this product.